Hey everyone, we've got another video of some of the funniest fails of the week. And let us know what your favorite clip was in the comments below.
Hit the club to the...
Like that?
Yeah. I know how to do it. Oh, there's no... No, it's already coming.
Alter! Alter! Bro! You alright?
Not again.
You alright?
Bro, take a seat, man.
Dude, maybe call it there.
All the different wins.
Ah! I just electrocuted my eye! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Holy
It's just events.
He's about to smoke him right off the start here. Watch.
That just happened right in front of me.
Wait, you ready? Yeah? You ready? Ready? What the f***'s going on?
I'm always embarrassing myself.
Like, go off. I don't fall. I can't stop.
Oh my god, I'm sliding. Holy. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's just. The more I move, the more I slide.
Vent. Il y a des gens, ils marchent qui...